Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to compare Loom versus Camtasia. Camtasia is available as a desktop app for both macOS and Windows, whereas Loom is also available as a desktop app for macOS and Windows, but also as a Chrome extension and mobile app recording. With Loom, it's extremely easy. You just need to click on the icon, then select your camera and microphone, and then hit start recording. After a few seconds for the countdown, you can record whatever you want to record. And when you are done, you can click stop. Loom will automatically generate a link that you can share them with other people. To record with Camtasia, you can open the app and then click on new recording. Here, we'll need to select our screen camera and microphone, and when we are ready, we can click on start. After a few seconds, we can then record whatever we want to record, and when we are done, we can click on the Camtasia icon and then stop recording. From here, we have two options. We can either choose one of the pre-made layouts and export directly, or we can decide to edit inside the Camtasia editor. While Loom offers some basic editing capabilities, Camtasia comes with a powerful built-in video editor. Here, you can trim your clips or add text or many other kinds of effects. When it comes to pricing, both Coma subscriptions with Loom costing about $15 per month and Camtasia, but check both and you decide for yourself. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.